What happened, Dave? Well, one of these poles jumped out, grabbed me, jumped right out there. Yeah. Well, what happens? I got sucked up in this. Damn, I didn't know it was this low. I thought it was taller than this. It is rather low. Is it all right?
Yeah, I don't know why it didn't want to take off. Uh-oh.
Well, we got water and milk break.
Huh.
Damn, there's a bottle of referral milk break. I wonder if that's actually what's in it.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
It feels good in here.
Must have a loose connection.
Definitely a loose connection. Or what is it? Short?
Yeah, I think it's... Oh, I see it now.
Telemetry lost.
This whole wire came off.
Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, that battery took some loving too.
Oh yeah. Hey, it's part of it.
Yep.
Transmitter battery low.
Come out and worry
That's
about
how it
all
is.
of this shit. You never will fly.
No, can't be stressed about it. That's just part of the game.
Yeah, Brian. Can't be stressed.
I stress.
Yeah, it's a fun little spot though.
Yeah, just for a little improv thing.
Yeah, I mean, get on the sticks a little bit.
Yeah, something different. I've went by here many times and wanted to stop.
Yeah, I actually seen it a couple times. I was like, oh, I don't know. I don't know if there's much to do, but
Well,
ain't no bando.
And I know what's past it. There ain't really a whole lot.
Folks, I hope you enjoyed. And I've got two quads that I'm gonna have to fix. One stripped out motor shaft, and this one, hopefully it just came off of the all-in-one flight controller, but the main power lead popped off. So hopefully it didn't tear off the pad, because this same flight controller tore off a pad. I don't think it was that side though. So have a good day. Come back after I clean my camera.